Hello everyone, I am here with a flip through on the flip-flop accordion journal that we've been working on, and if you missed that tutorial, I'm going to put a link down below where that's at. And let's get started. So this is tied together with a strip of cloth, and the front cover, let's get a little closer to the front cover here. I will put a link down to the digitals I used. And so here are the circle pockets, or pockets we made from circles, and I will also link that video down below. It was kind of a fun project for us to do. Here's another pocket with a couple of tags stuffed in here, a little bit of tulle and some lace down below. Now these all are held together, all these sections are held together with a piece of fabric. Here is a lace flip up. You can write underneath it, or you can put a photo. There are 84 pages front and back throughout this little journal, so there's surprisingly a lot of room for writing in here. And the papers consist of some vintage, really old vintage dictionary pages, and some avocado dyed and tea stain paper. Then here is a pretty, you can dress this up the way you like. I didn't want to cover it up, which is so pretty. And here is the belly band, a lace, vintage lace belly band with more circles. I had fun with circles in this little journal, and these are just graduated sized circles with a little clip up here that you can, journal on the opposite side or whatever you'd like to do. And another section of some more paper. Here is an altered paper clip. It's cute on both sides. And this can be used as a bookmark as well, if you would like to do that. And then this is like a policy type of envelope with this really pretty angel on the front. And it just flips up like this. And on the top flap are a couple of little cards tucked inside there. And inside here are some more journaling cards and also ephemera, some words, some designs, just some little stuff to use as you journal and want to maybe want to decorate some of those pages up yourself, and that just all gets put in there. And when you're done using up the ephemera, you can put something special in there if you like. And here is a flip up frame, and you can put your own photo, perhaps glue it in the back there, and you can have your own photo showing. Then we're going to flip it over, and this is the cover for the back side. And this tie comes out. You can take this out if you wish, if it's in your way, and then just, tie it and then remove the tie completely when you want to work in it. And you can always put something back in by taking a safety pin and threading it through. There's plenty of room there to like rethread it. I've sewn around all the sections. Here's another here's a Tim Holtz pocket die cut that I filled up with all kinds of little journaling cards and tags and little pieces that you can write on or do what you would like. Here's the other side of that altered paper clip. This is another frame with a tag in it, but you can replace this tag with, of course, your own photograph again, or maybe a saying or something you want to keep inside there. There's some more papers. This is the last and third signature. More writing opportunity there. And here is yet another circle made into a pocket. And here are a few little, I love these little birds are so pretty. Just the right amount of coloration and whimsy, and I like that. And then here's more places for writing. So that is this little journal. It make a wonderful little place to jot down thoughts, or jot down, perhaps you want to keep a collection of sayings or make lists. Maybe you want to document an event and or it'd be a wonderful gift for somebody else as well. So thank you for watching that. I so appreciate it. I so appreciate your support. And if you like this, please hit the like button. This will be available in my Etsy shop. And I am working on another journal, and I will be back again in a few days, and we'll see what's going on there. Thanks a lot. We'll talk to you later. Bye.